Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
From now onwards, you don't have to press the fingerprint button all the way down to go on home screen. Instead, we will turn the fingerprint sensor of the Samsung S7 Edge into a capacitive home button. So without further ado, let's get started. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel as we upload quality tech videos, how-to guides related to Android and iPhone. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks to the developer Runways on XDA who created Finger-Touch app. So first, use the link given in the description to download Finger-Touch Apk and install it by enabling unknown sources in settings. And then open the Finger-Touch app. You will see the details about the Finger-Touch app and what it does. You might be aware that there are many apps available on the Play Store to get this feature working on S7 Edge or any other device. But what's good about this app is that the Finger-Touch offers a Nougat quick setting style, so you can quickly toggle this feature directly from the notification bar. This is useful because apps that require fingerprint authentication will not work until you disable this app. So just press Start Finger-Touch Service to enable this feature or Stop Finger-Touch Service to disable it. Furthermore, you can use Finger-Touch app notification to toggle on or off this service anytime. So this was all in this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you loved this video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. I will be back with another quick guide soon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.